Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of luxury travel with 12 motorhomes that redefine comfort and style on the road. These motorhomes take the meaning of travel to a whole new level, offering everything from high-end kitchens to cutting-edge technology, all while cruising in ultimate style. Get ready to be blown away by these luxurious motorhomes that will have you rethinking your next adventure. Numar King Air. First up, we have the Numar King Air. Built on a custom Spartan K3 chassis and powered by a massive 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine, this motorhome is the definition of power and luxury combined. Inside, it pampers you with custom hardwood cabinetry, plush furnishings, and top-tier appliances. You also get a state-of-the-art entertainment system with multiple LED TVs and premium sound to make sure every moment on the road is enjoyable. For added peace of mind, the King Air is equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and collision mitigation. Ford Travel Presidential Series Realm FS605. Next, we have the Ford Travel Presidential Series Realm FS605, which takes luxury to a whole new level. With its Spartan K4 chassis and a Cummins X115 engine, it's built for those who demand performance and elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted by custom hardwood cabinetry, heated floors, and quartz countertops that make the interior feel more like a five-star hotel than an RV. This motorhome is designed for long journeys, offering generous storage options and even the capability for solar power integration. The Master Suite is a true highlight, featuring a king-size bed and a bathroom outfitted with high-end fixtures, ensuring you travel in absolute comfort. Marathon Coach 1379. The Marathon Coach 1379 stands as a symbol of luxury in the motorhome industry. Stretching 45 feet in length, it features a sleek aerodynamic design and custom paint options, making it a head-turner on the road. Inside, it boasts custom cabinetry, plush furnishings, and high-end appliances that make you feel at home wherever you go. Technology is at the forefront here, with smart home automation, multiple LED TVs, and premium sound systems to ensure you're always connected and entertained. Plus, with advanced safety features and a robust suspension system, the Marathon Coach ensures smooth and secure travel, making it perfect for those who want to combine luxury with practicality. Newell Coach. When it comes to custom luxury, the Newell Coach is hard to beat. Each Newell is a masterpiece of engineering, built on a custom chassis for superior stability and performance. Inside, you'll find features like custom hardwood cabinetry, high-end appliances, and spacious living areas with slide-out rooms to expand your living space. Safety is a key focus, with advanced driver assistance systems and robust security features ensuring you can travel with peace of mind. The Thor Vision. For those who are thinking about the future, the Thor Vision brings electric mobility into the luxury RV world. This futuristic motorhome combines the sustainability of an electric powertrain with the luxury of a high-end RV. Its aerodynamic design and expansive windows offer panoramic views while traveling. And inside, you'll find a spacious, modern living area, complete with state-of-the-art amenities. The Thor Vision features advanced battery technology, allowing for extended range and fast charging, making it perfect for both urban adventures and long-distance road trips. Element Palazo. The Element Palazo is another contender in the realm of luxurious Class A motorhomes. Built on a Freightliner chassis and powered by a Cummins diesel engine, it offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. Inside, the Palazo doesn't hold back on luxury. You get spacious living areas, high-end furnishings, and modern amenities designed to make life on the road feel like home. The Palazo also integrates advanced entertainment systems and optional upgrades like solar panels for eco-conscious travelers. Le Voyageur Eterna 7.0 GFJ. If you're looking for something more compact without sacrificing luxury, the Le Voyageur Eterna 7.0 GFJ is a top choice. This motorhome is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and offers a sleek, stylish design. Inside, the Unity impresses with modern materials, premium finishes, and smart storage solutions that maximize space. The fully equipped kitchen, comfortable lounge area, and cozy sleeping quarters make this motorhome ideal. RC12M. The RC12M brings both luxury and innovation to the table. This 40-foot RV boasts a sleek aerodynamic exterior with tinted panoramic windows and LED lighting. Inside, the RC12M is all about top-tier amenities, featuring custom hardwood cabinetry, premium leather furnishings, and high-end appliances. Its advanced entertainment system, complete with multiple LED TVs and smart home features, ensures you stay connected and entertained no matter where the road takes you. Pebble Flow. If you're in search of a more compact option that still delivers on luxury, the Pebble Flow is an excellent choice. Measuring about 25 feet in length, this motorhome is designed for urban and off-grid adventures alike. Its sleek exterior is equipped with integrated solar panels, ensuring sustainable travel wherever you go. Audrea Sonic Supreme. The Audrea Sonic Supreme combines modern design with luxury. Its sleek aerodynamic design and integrated LED lighting make a bold statement on the road. Inside, it offers spacious living areas with premium furnishings and smart storage solutions, ensuring you have both comfort and functionality. The Sonic Supreme is perfect for travelers who value both style and efficiency in their motorhome. Or Travel IH45. Another luxury option from Travel is the IH45, built for travelers who want only the best. With a powerful Cummins engine and a Spartan chassis, the IH45 offers both performance and sophistication. Inside, it features heated tile floors, custom cabinetry, and quartz countertops that create a homey yet luxurious feel. This motorhome is packed with technology, including smart home features, multiple LED TVs, and a premium sound system. Luxury RR6. The RR6 by Rollo's Horse Trucks is the epitome of luxury for both horses and riders. Designed with an emphasis on comfort and convenience, this exceptional horse truck features a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bathroom, ensuring that every journey feels like a 5-star experience. To competitions or embarking on long-distance travels, the RR6 provides all the comforts of home. There you have it, 12 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Each of these motorhomes offers something unique, whether it's cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly features, or simply the highest level of comfort and style. So, which one of these luxurious motorhomes would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content on luxury travel and lifestyle.